How to turn on or turn off edge panels on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Display. After click on Display, scroll down and search edge panel from here. Scroll down and you will see edge panel is here. If you want to turn off edge panels, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see edge panel is turned off. If you want to turn on edge panels, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see edge panel is turned on. You will turn on or turn off edge panels from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off edge panels on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.